How's everybody doing today? Well, this is not going to be a complicated install, but it's going to be, I guess, it's going to make a big difference in terms of how it's going to look aesthetically. So, you know, Ford, like I said way before, they rocked it with the LED running lights, the HID headlights, and then the LED taillights. But for some reason, they leave these, you know, just regular halogen bulbs. So what I did is I got some LED lights from Diode Dynamics, and here they are. So what these basically are, well, I would say they're LED, and they have like a strip of red light running all the way down like so. And the cool thing about these things is that they're site specific. So, you know, let's say, I'm sure I can read that, but it says right hand, and also it will say it on the back. So just in case, you know, you're trying to figure out which way it goes, you know, you would know. And one thing I would like to point out is that when you get these, this little, I don't know what the heck this is called, but it's going to be in there it's going to be in there, and you can't really get anything out. So I recommend using like a needle nose plier, but don't crimp it down too much because the contact is right there, so you don't want to damage that. Alright, so yeah, that's what we're going to do today, and with that, let's go ahead and take these off. Alright, so here's the back side of the light, and as you can tell, it's really held on by literally two plastic, not clips, but here's like a little pin on the left side, and on the right side there's actually like a little tab that you just have to pull back. Let me just show you real quick because it's pretty hard to get to. Alright, so like I said, this little deal, okay, so it's on like this, so this will, dang it, this will clip on to your bumper, and then this will snap right into your you know, the bumper, but on this tab. So what you do to take it off, it's real simple. All you got to do is basically get like a little, I don't know, flathead, or you want to get like a vice grip or something, and kind of just push it in. So this would compress a little bit, just enough for it to kind of like swivel out. So I got my right hand side marker light off, and I forgot to mention this, but make sure that you disconnect the big tail from the socket, and it's real simple. All you got to do is push on this tab downward, and this should slide right off. I mean, not this whole assembly, but this deal. So it'll be like that. You disconnect it, you know, clamp this little deal right here, then you just kind of take it out, and what you're going to reuse is your factory one. So to take it off, you turn it clockwise out. Oh, that was a little weird noise, but set it aside, take your factory light bulb off, grab your, where the hell is it? Where? On your knees. Oh, you grab your new one, your LED, and then, like, we already tried it before, this is not site specific, or I'm sorry, polar sensitive, so just insert it whichever way you want it, and then all you gotta do is plug it back in. And let me just prove it to you that it doesn't really matter. Crap, hold on, is this right? Yeah. Okay, so go ahead and open the door, dude. See, it turns on. So I'm gonna disconnect it, flip it around, insert it again, and check it out. So it's not polar sensitive. That's pretty cool. All right. So, you know, to put it back on, slide it in. You just push the tab in, and that's about it. Okay, here they are, all installed, looking good. Driver's side, And here's the passenger. The neat thing about these is that they look factory, so you can't really tell there's an LED laying right beneath that. Let's go ahead and turn them on. Check that out. Look how it complements nicely with the LED taillights and the little LED side marker light. Freaking awesome. Check out the driver's side. Look at that. Looks really nice. I got this actually by accident. I stumbled across a video from Bill from CJ Pony Parts. He had a set of these on his car, and I was like, dude, I gotta get these. So, alright, with that, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up, and until next time, I'll see you later.